This roof here is what we call a clip lock roof, or it's a wide cover concealed cladding. So these roof sheets here, no visible screws. These are awesome. This is good and all until we go and put a large range hood motor in one of these pans. So all the water travels inside of these, kind of like a channel, almost like a gutter, you could say. With this type of roof, with these large ribs and these deep pans, we can't use an off-the-shelf product as it'll just pool water here. This will block up, which means this will entirely fill up with water. And then there's joins inside of here. They have concealed joins. That'll just go underneath, completely flood inside the house. So in order to resolve this issue, we have to do a backflashing or a capping, which pretty much goes over the entire thing, giving us a nice flat pan to work on. What that allows us is to have no pooling of water, allowing us to completely go over it. We could probably show some examples of roofs that haven't used this with deep pans. And you can just see it just builds up with rust and watermarks over time. Doesn't last long at all. So we do always go for a backflashing, and that just allows us to make sure that we're completely watertight, no pooling of water at all. That's the start of our backflashing. So you can see what it does is it covers the flashings, it covers these ribs, giving us a nice flat surface. People often use these for large penetrations such as range hoods, your skylight windows, things like that. This allows us to cover the pans. We can have our penetration coming up somewhere inside of here, and we know for a fact that there's not going to be any water pooling, and it covers everything, really ensuring that there's not going to be any leaks.